Hi, welcome to We Learn It, a platform to upgrade yourself. In next 5 minutes, we are going to learn the top 25 full forms of computer world which are used in computer sectors. And these questions were asked in many examinations. So let's get in. And friends, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications when we upload our new video. So let's begin. The first question of this video is, what is ROM stand for? Means, what is the full form of ROM? Your options are read other memory, read only memory, read offline memory, or read only minute. And the correct answer of this question is option number B, and that is read only memory. Let's move to the next question. What is full form of USB? And your options are Unicoded Smart Bus, Universal Smart Bus, Unicoded Serial Bus, or Universal Serial Bus. And the correct answer of this question is option number D, and that is Universal Serial Bus. Let's move to the third question, and that is, what is the full form of Google? Your options are Global Orient of Oriented Group Language of Earth, Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth, Global Orient of Oriented Group Language of Earth, or Global Orient of Oriented Group Language of Earth. And the correct answer of this question is option number B, Global Organization of Oriented Group Language of Earth. Let's move to the fourth question. What is the full form of Yahoo? Yahoo is similar like Google. It is also a search engine. Let's look at the options. At another hierarchical officio-oracular, Yahoo another hierarchical officious oracle, at another hierarchical officious oracular, or at another hierarchical officious oracle. And the correct answer of this question is D, and that is at another hierarchical officious oracle. Let's move to the fifth question. What is the full form of www? And your options are World Wide Web, World Whole Web, Web Worldwide, or Web World Whole. And the correct answer of this question is option number A, and that is World Wide Web, where we type a particular address of a website. Let's move to the next question. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Your options are Wireless Fidelity, Wired Fidelity, Wireless Focus, or Wired Focus. And the correct answer of this question is option number A, and that is Wireless Fidelity. Let's move to the question number 7. What is the full form of PNG? So PNG is the extension for an image like JPG, etc. Let's look at the options. Portable Natural Graphics, Portable Network Graph, Pretty Network Graphics, or Portable Network Graphics. And the correct answer of this question is option number D, and that is Portable Network Graphics. Now let's move to the question number 8. What is full form of FM? Your options are frequent modulation, frequency modulation, frequency method, or frequency molecules. And the correct answer of this question is frequency modulation. Let's move to the next question. What is full form of URL? URL is a place in a browser where we type particular web address that starts with www, etc. Now let's look at the options. Uniform Resource Location, Uniform Resource Locator, Universal Resource Locator, or Uniform Retention Locator. And the correct answer of this question is option number B, Uniform Resource Locator. Let's move to the next question. What is full form of ISDN? ISDN we use while making international telephony calls like STD, ISD. You might have heard about this, right? Let's look at the options. Integrated Service Digital Network, Integrated Services Double Network, Inter-Services Digital Network, or Integrated Server Digital Network. And the correct answer of this question is option number A, and that is Integrated Services Digital Network. Let's move to the next question. What is the full form of virus? Your options are Vital Information Resources Underseas, Vital Informational Resources Underseas, Vital Information Resources Underseas, or Vital Information Sources Under Seas. And the correct answer of this question is option number C, Vital Information Resources Under Seas. Let's move to the next question. What is the full form of EMEI? This is a unique number is given to individual mobiles in the world. Now let's look at the options. International Mobile Equipment Information, International Mobile Equipment Identity, International Mobile Educational Identity, or International Machine Equipment Identity. And the correct answer of this question is option number B, International Mobile Equipment Identity. It's an identity of a mobile in the world. Let's move to the next question. What is the full form of ICs? IC is a device which is used in many electronic devices like mobiles, televisions, etc. Let's look at the options. Interrelated circuit, integrated conductor, integrated connection, or integrated circuit. And the correct answer of this question is option number D, and that is integrated circuit. The next question is, what is the full form of PDF? We oftenly listen these words like PDF, DOCX like document files, etc. So do you know what PDF stand for? Let's look at the options. Printed document format, public document format, portable document format, or published document format. And the correct answer of this question is option number C, portable document format. The next question is, what is the full form of CRT? CRT is an electronic device were used a lot in old type of monitors. That's what those monitors were known as CRT monitors. Okay. Now Let's look at the options. Crystal ray tube, cathode ray tube, cabin ray tube, or carbon ray tube. And the correct answer of this question is option number B, that is cathode ray tube. Let's move to the next question. What is the full form of HTTP? And your options are High Text Transfer Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Procedure, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or Hypertypo Transfer Protocol. And the correct answer of this question is option number C, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The next question is, what is full form of ISP? ISP is the name of a service provider who provides us the internet connections. Okay, let's look at the options. Internet service provider, internet speed provider, intranet service provider, or internet service provider. And the correct answer of this question is option number A, internet service provider. Let's move to the next question. What is the full form of HTML? Your options are Hypertext Magic Line, Hypertext Markup Line, Hypertext Markup Language, or High Text Markup Language. And the correct answer of this question is option number C, Hypertext Markup Language. The next question is, what is full form of CD? Your options are carried disk, compact disk, carried data, or compact data. And the correct answer of this question is option number B, compact disk. The next question is, what is the full form of Mac? Mac is the name of an operating system. Okay, it is developed by Apple company. Let's look at the option. Mass access control, media access control, mass access carriage, or media access carriage. And the correct answer of this question is option number B, that is media access control. Let's move to the next question. What is the full form of FTP? FTP is the name of a protocol which is used to transfer the files among the computers using internet. Now let's look at the option for this question. Free transfer process, file training protocol, file transfer protocol, or free transport protocol. And the correct answer of this question is option number C, that is file transfer protocol. The next question is, what is the full form of IP? IP is an address given to every computer or mobile which is connected to internet. Without IP address, you cannot access internet or you cannot connect to the networks. So each and every computer or mobile which are connected to the network using internet are having its own IP address. Let's look at the options for this question. Intranet process, internet process, intranet protocol, or internet protocol. And the correct answer of this question is option number D, internet protocol. Now let's move to the next question. What is the full form of ESN? Your options are electronic system number, electronic serial number, electronic serial network, or equipment serial number. And the correct answer of this question is electronic serial number. Let's move to the next question. What is the full form of RTC? Your options are real-time clock, real-time check, related to check, or related to clock. And the correct answer of this question is real-time clock. Now let's move to the last question of this video, and that is, what is the full form of OLED? You might have heard about LED, but it is OLED. Your options are organic light emitted diode, organic light emitting diode, organ light emitting diode, or organization light emitting diode. And the correct answer of this question is option number B, organic light emitting diode. Friends, hope you enjoyed this session. If you like this session, then please hit the like button. And friends, if you want to upgrade your skills like spoken English, grammar, computer, communications, interview skills, GKs, then please subscribe and visit our channel on daily basis. So thanks for watching. Have a great time.